And she's talking to us. So pretty. Yeah, they're so beautiful. And when grandma is talking to us and we're not listening, Miss Jazan Blooms, you can relate. And grandma is talking to us and we're not listening. She said, all right, I'm going to cut down shoes back and come back. So it's getting ready to bloom right here. She said, all right, I'll soon come back. Oh yes. I'm going to cut my shoes back and come back. I'm going to sting you up on your foot, sting you up, sting you up. Me not lick you for paralyze or if you lick out your eye, but I'm going to sting you up on your foot, sting you up on your